Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious burrito tacos with an easy guide. We'll start by gathering all our essential ingredients. You'll need about 8 to 10 large flour tortillas, 1 pound of ground meat, shredded cheese, and your favorite salsa. Don't forget fresh toppings like lettuce, tomatoes, and sour cream. Make sure you have cooking oil and taco seasoning ready to go. Let's get cooking. Now, let's prepare our flavorful filling. Begin by browning 1 pound of ground beef or chicken in a large skillet over medium heat until it's fully cooked. Once done, drain any excess grease to keep it light and tasty. Then, stir in 2 tablespoons of taco seasoning and about 1/4 cup of water. Let this mixture simmer for 5 to 7 minutes, allowing the liquid to reduce and the flavors to meld beautifully. This step is key for a delicious taco. With our filling ready, it's time to assemble these amazing burrito tacos. First, warm your 8 to 10 large flour tortillas. You can do this quickly in a microwave or on a dry skillet. Next, spoon about 1/3 cup of the seasoned meat filling onto the center of each warm tortilla. Then, sprinkle a generous 1/4 cup of shredded cheese over the meat. Finally, fold the sides of the tortilla inward, then roll it up tightly from the bottom to create your perfect burrito taco shape. For the grand finale, we're going to pan-fry these beauties to golden perfection. Heat 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in a skillet over medium heat. Carefully place your folded burrito tacos, seam side down, into the hot oil. Cook them for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side until they are wonderfully golden brown and crispy. Serve these delightful burrito tacos immediately with your favorite toppings, like fresh salsa, creamy guacamole, or a dollop of sour cream. Enjoy your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.